Hi and welcome to Troopaloo's Garage Project Explorer video series. I'm going to go through the traction control setup on this motorcycle. There's three levels of traction control. There's level 1, which is the highest level of intervention. Level 2, which is the next level of intervention. It lets a bit more wheel spin, a little bit more flexibility. And then level 3, which is off. I'm going to do a takeoff, so like a race start virtually on the dirt. For this test we've got our Pirelli Rally Scorpion knobbies on there. We like these tyres off-road on these big beasts. They're okay on the road, but they're good in the dirt for the size of this vehicle, so we've decided to use a full knobby and we're going to do this test in the dirt. This bike is designed to be off-road, so we want to do these tests off-road. All the theories I'm about to talk about and what you'll see are the same on the tar. So the first test I'm going to do is a hard takeoff in full intervention on level 1, then I'll do a takeoff in level 2, and then I'll do a takeoff with it off, and you'll see the difference. You'll see in the first one it almost looks like I back off the clutch or the throttle, but because this vehicle is ride-by-wire, the ECU takes over, so even though I'm holding that full throttle, the butterflies are in fact not opening and the ECU is controlling the opening of the throttle body. So it's a very unique system and it's a very effective system. So we'll go and I'll do this demonstration now, and I'll do 3 different starts for 3 different levels of intervention. Hi and welcome back to the Troopaloo Triumph Tiger Explorer test. We've been upgrading all of our suspension upgrades, etc. Something I've been asked about a lot is the ABS. I've done the tests on the traction control and tried to explain that. The traction control interfaces through the ECU. But I thought now I'd just do a brake test with the ABS turned on and then a test with the ABS turned off. So just people can see the difference of that ABS intervention. It is a great tool, ABS, and the ABS on this is probably one of the most refined systems of any bike I've ridden to date. It's a great system and you'll get to see how it works now. Personally, in the dirt, I still like ABS off, and it's great that Triumph have built that functionality into the motorcycle. So the first test will be with the ABS on, the second test with the ABS off. Okay, so we've just done the test with the ABS on and then with the ABS function off. I approached this line over here at the speed at both occasions of 60 kilometres an hour. What you'll see with the ABS on, my rear wheel stopped here. With the ABS off, my rear wheel stopped here. So there's a good 3 metres difference in the dirt. That's the total opposite than on the tar. So it's just important that people understand there is a total different principle between dirt riding and dirt traction to road riding and tar traction. With the ABS on, because it's feeling a loss of traction, it will just continue to rotate more, not getting the maximum drag out of the knobby tyres. With the ABS off, you can get the bite of those knobbies in, and with proper feel and modulation of your brakes, you can actually pull up quicker with non-ABS than with ABS. So it is a unique situation, and I thought it's a good demonstration to show the difference of the ABS on and ABS off. There is no rules here, it's just my opinion. I like ABS off. If you're not a competent dirt rider, it is good to leave it on still for that confidence, but on shaly gravel roads, the ABS can really let the braking drag out. So it's your choice, but I thought this would be a good demonstration for those adventure riders out there. Thanks.